Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare Lamborghini Aventador vs Koenigsegg Agera R, which is better. Please subscribe and follow along for a clear, friendly breakdown of performance, design, and ownership costs. I'll start with straight-line speed and acceleration, then move to chassis balance and aerodynamic behavior on public roads and closed tracks. Finally, I'll cover maintenance expectations and resale perspectives, so you can weigh excitement against real-world practicality. Both cars pack immense power and distinct character, so I'll describe how each engine feels during throttle transitions and shifts. Expect details on peak power numbers, turbo or naturally aspirated behavior, and how power reaches the wheels under hard acceleration. I'll explain handling differences in accessible language, highlighting which setup favors aggressive cornering versus high-speed stability. By the end, you'll understand which delivers the driving experience you want. If you're enjoying the video, please subscribe and hit like to support more car comparisons and short, honest takes. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers are great for long drives and track days when you need reliable food storage. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a set if you like practical gear with your hypercar lifestyle. Now let's get back to the video. Design choices go beyond looks, so I'll cover cabin layout, visibility, and luggage practicality for real use. Then I'll break down typical service costs, expected parts replacement timelines, and how dealer networks affect convenience. I'll also compare insurance and fuel expectations with tangible examples to help project first-year ownership costs. This segment helps you weigh excitement against ongoing expenses and practical living with a hypercar.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.